Improve your indoor air quality in Upper Dublin with e-cleaning duct and vent cleaning. Dust, mold, and allergens can collect in your air ducts, circulating harmful particles through your home. Our professional air duct cleaning services remove these pollutants, ensuring fresher, healthier air and more efficient HVAC operation. Your dryer vent needs attention too. A clogged dryer vent is a fire hazard and can lead to higher energy bills. Our dryer vent cleaning service eliminates lint and debris, keeping your home safe and your dryer performing at its best. Licensed, insured, and trusted in Upper Dublin, we provide transparent pricing and top-notch service. Schedule your air duct or dryer vent cleaning today on our website and experience the benefits of cleaner, safer air in your home.